Bubba. Hi. Hi. Hey, Boo-Boo. You're a sweet boy. Those are my knees.
Hey guys, happy Samhain, happy Halloween. Today I'm going to be walking you through a few of the crafts that I did this year to celebrate Samhain. The first one is going to be a do-it-yourself autumn wreath. This wreath base was from Joann's Fabric. I think it was like $6 or $7. The little things of cotton and pine cones and the leaves were all in one package, also at Joann's, which I think was maybe $3 or $4. I decided to attach them with a wire twist, like a little wire wrap, because I didn't want it to be permanent. I wanted to be able to take them all off and switch it out for Thanksgiving or Christmas or New Year's and so on and so forth. So here I'm just wrapping wire around each one and attaching it to the wreath. I love the way it turned out, and I will show you how to do the Wiccan scar in a little bit. The next thing I'm going to update is my letterboard. You see here that I am very anally measuring the letterboard because it has to be centered or I will potentially lose it. As you'll tell, I am spelling out double, toil and trouble, fire burn, and cauldron bubble, which is a Shakespearean quote from Macbeth, and it's super spooky and perfect for this time of year. Next, I'm going to make the DIY wood pentagram that you saw in the wreath. I used garden shears for this because the wood sticks are a little bit hard to cut off. You're going to want to make all of your sticks the same size, and you're going to want all of them to be straight. You can make a little W with the sticks plus an extra one, and I actually just tied each section together at the points because I found it easier than gluing it. I did end each piece off with a little piece of glue. So once you have your first little V, you're going to go in the opposite direction with the next stick. And then again, you're going to go into the opposite direction. And you're just going to keep going on the opposite ends until you get all 5 sticks. Okay. So now that all the sticks are connected, you're going to take the middle piece and you're going to kind of cross it over, flip the excess around to the point that has nothing on it, tie them off and connect them, and then you're going to have a little star. I made the couple with my whole stick pile. It did take a really long time, but in the end they looked really cute. in with my centerpiece, as well as a few little crystals that I felt were perfect for this time of year, some pine cones, some pumpkins, little slices of wood, and really whatever else I felt like putting on it. The next thing is the DIY pumpkin candles, which I'm particularly proud of. First I took little candles, I cut them out and carved them, removing the guts and the top. Then I took old candles from the dollar store or Goodwill or any other thrift store, and I cut them up to make a cheap version of these candles because we're really only going to be using them for 1 or 2 uses. Try to find plain white ones so they have no scent. You then are going to put it in a pot and melt it down. I did buy a separate pot for this because I didn't want to ruin my good pots. When you're ready, you can add some essential oils if you'd like, and then you can start to pour. You're going to put little wicks in the center as you pour. As you can see here, I cut this particular pumpkin a little too deep and it spilled out everywhere. And cleaning this off the countertop is a real pain, so I suggest laying something down before you start pouring the wax. I transitioned to a little cup, which I also got especially for this project, and it worked much better. After everything dried, you have cute little candles that you can light on Halloween. I think it's a really nice idea to make one candle for each friend or relative that has passed on, and you can light it on your porch to guide them on their journey through this realm.